So, what we're going to try here is a mouth drill. The base is a board of redwood, as in sequoia redwood. The pressure mouth brace is my design, and this one happens to be made out of red mulberry, which is Morus rubra in Latin. Okay. What I like to do is I never put my teeth on the on the pressure mouth brace. I use a folded paper towel, and that helps ease the bite, as well as catch all the saliva and makes it more hygienic. So I have a 3/4 inch hole there, which is greased, obviously. And what we're going to attempt today is a tube of bamboo. Obviously, this is the top, the brace end. You can see that it's oiled. And just to give you an idea, what we're spinning basically 3/4 of an inch in diameter. So we're basically spinning a bow drill spindle in diameter. Okay, so this is short, so I need to raise this up, which is why this is on a bench. And so this, if you look up here, this goes on my back teeth in my molars. And when you are positioned this way with your mouth open, saliva just falls out of your mouth. So it's very convenient to have the paper towel, because otherwise, whenever you perform this technique, there would just be drool, which is doesn't make for a good demo. So, all right. So you can see this is already mated together. I put a notch in there. It's a 45-degree notch. Now this base is like 3/4 of an inch tall, which is pretty tall. So let's see. I'll take some dust and pre-fill it a little bit, so I don't have to fill it too much higher, because that's a lot of work to fill. Okay. All right. So here we go. Not bad, huh? Bamboo on redwood with a red mulberry pressure mouth brace. And here we go. That never gets old. Love that. Alright, so thanks for watching. Catch you later. Thanks, Jake, for filming. Now, bye now.